on today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a 10 round limiter into a Colt pattern USGI style magazine. This is for the either Colt or Okay Industry straight USGI Colt pattern mags. This block is going to install at the base, and what makes these mags unique to standard USGIs is that the Colt pattern mags have this little indent retaining plate here that you have to punch in, and then you can remove the floor plate. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Take either a punch or a flathead screwdriver, punch in that little retaining plate, take the floor plate off. Pro tip, leave the spring body inside the spring, makes it easier to install the block. Take your cut down USGI style block, install it into the mag, and you'll see there's some resistance because of the spring captures here on our block and the tabs on the magazine. So what you need to do is push the block forward and then down into the mag, just like that. Okay, once you do that, put the floor plate back on. There you go. Give it a test fit, make sure everything is working correctly, and that's it. It's how to block a 20 round mag down to 10 rounds for compliancy. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at magblock@gmail.com, and please rate this video. Thanks, guys.